Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a Unity moment. Okay, so it's a company called BB Crafts, and they contacted me a couple of weeks ago and asked me did I want to review their product. So this is an unboxing video. So here's the box of stuff that they sent me. So let's open it up and see what's in here. Oh wow, they got this pack. They got this pack like I be packing my packages. I be want to make sure that I know I got a box cut around here. My son probably moved it. He always moving my stuff. A lot of times I get him to open my packages when they come, but this is crazy, y'all. Wait, hold on. Let me move this my hair out the way. Getting it open. They got this thing packed. So the life of an artist and a creator, you know, I guess you can't put me in that craft category. I do make things more of a handcrafter. Almost in there, y'all. If I would have had my box cutter, I would have been in. Some things, people don't pack packages right and they come all crazy. So, I'm so happy. If y'all see how I done ripped this box open. Wow, look at this lock. I done not connected all those locks together. Okay, look at me. The mind of can't be focused. I be focused when it need be. But my brain be all over the place, y'all. The mind of an artist. I'm almost there, y'all. Okay. See. Let's get in here. I'm gonna let y'all see how this box looks. Y'all done watch me open the box. Okay. Look how I done ripped this box. Okay, so let me see. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna show y'all the first thing. This is this right here, and it's some beads. Let me just open this with my nails. This is bubble wrap. So this is the first thing. Let me show y'all these. How y'all doing today? I've been busy like always. After I finish this video, I'm gonna go downstairs and cook me something. I might bring my cooking videos back. I did a couple of cooking videos some years ago on YouTube. Now that's a form of art, cooking. Okay, so let me see. Did I open it? Okay, this is how you open it. For some reason, I thought this was a little bigger when I picked it out. I thought it was like a big case. But, you know, this is cute. It's like you can carry it like if you go out of town. This is really cute. And it just got the little seed beads. Yeah, the seed beads. That's what I call them. Let me make sure they don't fall out. Is it tape around here or anything? Yep. Tape right here. I was going to record this in my work area, but at the time, I wasn't in my work area. I was doing something else in another part, not too far from my work area. So I was like, well, let me upload this, do this video right now. Okay, I got the tape off, y'all. So these are seed beads. And I like to put these on top of my earrings. So they got lime green, red, black, orange, blue, like a yellow, bright yellow, white, and pink. So that's pretty cute. Let's fill them. Oh, okay. Literally thought they was a little bigger, but that's on me because I picked them out. but they will work. Just a little bead on top of, pretty too, pretty. All right, I like this little case. I know once I finish this, I could put something else in here. So that's one, and I'm gonna put all the links in the description box of all the stuff that I'm showing y'all. Okay, and then this is some cowrie shells. I was like, wow, they got some cowrie shells. I was like, okay. It's crazy because cowrie shells been around for a long time. I know in African tradition we use them for different things. They represent the femininity and a lot of things like that. So, oops, I dropped one. I get that in a minute. So I'm starting to see them in a lot of places now. People starting to incorporate them more in their creations, jewelry and all that. It was mainly a lot on like indigenous jewelry, Bahamian type jewelry, African type jewelry, which is indigenous too. Matter of fact, I got one right on this pair right here. Let's turn it on kind of ways. Yeah, these are cute. I thought they was a little bigger, but they might look bigger to y'all on the screen, but I don't know if y'all can tell. I got little hands, but on the screen it might look bigger. They're small and they're cute. I can do something with them, and they feel like a real cowrie shell. Cause you know sometimes cowrie shells be plastic, so I'm loving these. I'm gonna make something so fly from these, y'all. So fly. I'm loving these. The only thing I wish it was a bigger thing of them, so I am gonna get more of these. Look at the red. Oh my god. Look at the red. Let me just pour some out and let y'all see. Y'all can see that? Yeah, they are really, really, really real cowrie shells. Like I say, you can use these. I'm gonna make me some hair jewelry with these. Yeah, these are cool. I like these. Yeah, I could put them on my lock. So these are these, and I like them. I wish they was a little bit bigger, but you know what? They're smaller, and I can work with them because they'll be really, really cute for some lock jewelry. Yeah, they're cute. I like these. All right, so that's the next thing. So let's see what else we got going on here. Open up kids. Open up kids. Okay, let's get it out. Come on. Okay, I got some more beads. I use these glass seed beads. I use a lot of black beads, so I'm not going to open these. Yep, they're just the black seed beads. Alright, so those are them. Get all these right here. And just throw that over there. Okay, the next thing I got is this. Cut this right here. Yeah, it's in here. Okay, so y'all know that I'm an artist and I'm a painter, and I create hand-painted jewelry, mainly earrings with wood. So when I seen wood on there, I had to grab this. It looks so much bigger on here, but it's not. It's probably like a 2-inch. A 2-inch square. So, you check the quality out. Y'all know. Okay. Good smooth surface. Alright, 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 BB Craft. I'm really, really funny about the quality of wood. I could work with any wood. You know, I'm an artist, I'm a creator, so I can make it work. But I love good foundation wood because it makes the art goes on smooth. So I'll make something really pretty for y'all with these. And I think 50 came in here. 120 pieces came in here. I'm thinking it was 50, but it's 120 pieces. Wow, that is cool. So I'm gonna make some dope earrings. I'm gonna make a video. Necklaces, pendants, all kind of stuff. Okay, the next wood I got. Oh wow, y'all, look. All kind of wood up here. Oh, look at there. Oh my God, I'm gonna make some cool stuff from this. Look, y'all. These are small. They're really tiny. I don't know if y'all can see this, but these are really tiny. They're really tiny. That's one. And this is a set of, I have to look. I put across the screen how many in here, but I know it's probably like 200 or something. And then this is the next size from that. I'm thinking this is the next size. Let me open it up. It looks just like the same quality. Yeah, very lightweight. Yeah, I'm gonna make something very cute with them. Wow. Okay, this is a good size. I make a lot of heart items. So this is probably a good 3-inch, very lightweight. So that is that. And then this is another size. This is probably a good 7.8 or something. Close to 2. All right. Wow, this is a lot of wood. I can make a lot of stuff from this. And I know it was really, really, really reasonable. I don't have the prices here, but I'll put all the links in the description box. And this is another size. So in this batch, we did, oh, wait, one of them popped open. So we did all 3 of these sizes. And I'm thinking it was like 200 pieces. It could be more. But look at all this wood. And I think it was like really cheap. I can't remember the price. Y'all will see it across the screen if I can remember it. That's a lot of wood. That is a lot of wood. Wow. Thank you, BB Craft. So y'all gonna see a video when I'm using their products. From this. I love getting gifts to create. This is like as long as I eat and I have a good book and I have craft items, stuff to make stuff, and some paint and some wood, I'm good. I'm good. So thank you, BB Craft, and I will be doing some videos on the stuff that I make using this. Thank you. Y'all check the description box out. Go check out bbcraft.com. They have a whole bunch of stuff. It was like they gave me like a budget. Ooh, it's just so much that I just wanted everything. Check BB Craft out. It's in the description box below. And y'all, salam, salam.